Yalla, go. 1, 2, 3. So this is the Hatta hub. This area is very wonderful. You can see a lot of tourist people are coming here and enjoyable area. There may be almost like a 30-40 activities there. Big hill is there and sometimes it's coming cloud and we are coming for enjoyment. It's like an unbelievable place. This is one of the best tourist spot in UAE. You must come and visit. If you are coming UAE, if you are not visit Hatta, you are waste your time, you are waste your money. Yalla, come to Hatta. Wow. Wow. Subscribe. So too much sunny. We are in Hatta Wadi Club. You can see here, the Hatta Wadi Club is very busy tourism spot. A lot of people coming and going. This is the entrance. So sunny. Almost like 1 o'clock now. The time. People are enjoying. The evening time will be more and more. You can see there. Hatta Wadi Club. This area is cycling. They are giving for hub this cycle for rental. So this for I'm going for prayer room right now. So people are busy now. Toilets. So there's a lot of fun and activities going on in this Hatta hub. كله فيه شوف So bike time. This is bike time. This area is fully people are enjoying and you can see there children are playing and a lot of activities this area I can see there. After a long time, maybe 6-7 years after I came this area, it's a lot of developments. Maybe in future, in more developments, it will come. I feel that because I can see a lot of foreigners here. They are come for fun, enjoyment. This is one of the best places I feel in Hatta, and a lot of places in Hatta already. Many videos I'm not able to upload due to work. And due to business, some of the things like, let's see whatever I can cover. The people, this is look like free games, but the other one, the bubbles look like pay. And what are the activities here? They are mentioning here, so we can use it to understand. In one by one. Only one click, we can understand all kind of activities. These are the activities happening in Hatta hub. So lots, almost 30 activities there. So you can enjoy. Maybe 2 days, 3 days, not enough if you want fully enjoy. So people are waiting for some coffee and a lot of people everywhere rush. Wow. Here adventure park also available. Hiking trails. So many things they have it. Wall climbing like a mountain. This is like a mountain. Before I went one time. So this area is like, wow. I can say like, wow. That's it. No other things. I see lots. Not 1, 2, 3. Hatta Aerial Adventure Park. Wow. Lot of activities. Not 1, 2. Huge. So you can enjoy. You will enjoy Surely, I'm 100% sure you will enjoy if you come here. But it's too much sun. We're also hungry, so we go for food, I hope. So I don't know exactly we'll come back or not. So I'll focus a little bit this area, so you can see there, right? So you can enjoy this area if you come. A lot of activities here. Already I posted the first page. You can see how many activities available in this area. So easy to understand. You can come and visit Hatta. This is one of the attractive tourist spot in UAE. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, so you can get a lot of tourist spots in UAE, so you can visit easily to guide you. You can ask any questions. I can give my best of my knowledge, and I can tell you where to get offer, how to go easily, and which time is good for to visit. So that's it. Catch you on next video.